30-day low-carb diet ketosis plan, day 14. In breakfast. Shrimp and cheese omelette. Ingredients for shrimp and cheese omelette: 3 medium eggs, 1 tablespoon butter, 3 ounces shrimp, chopped, 1 ounce shredded Havarti cheese, or Monterey Jack cheese, 2 teaspoons fresh parsley, chopped, green onions, optional, 1 teaspoon basil, chopped, optional. Whisk eggs in a bowl with parsley. Transfer to skillet and cook omelette style, adding shrimp, cheese and onions before folding. Top with basil and extra cheese if desired. Yields 1 serving. Total net carbs, about 2.72 grams per serving. In lunch. Pumpkin and macadamia soup. Ingredients for pumpkin and macadamia soup: 1 tablespoon macadamia or olive oil, 1/2 cup roughly chopped macadamias, 1 small onion, chopped, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 3 cups diced or canned pumpkin, 1 small tart apple, chopped, 3 cups chicken stock. Sour cream for topping. Whole or halved macadamias, roasted for garnish. Heat oil in a heavy stock pot and sauté macadamias, onions and ginger for 2 to 3 minutes. Stir in apple and pumpkin slices and sauté for 2 to 3 minutes. If substituting canned pumpkin puree, add only the apple in the step above and use pumpkin puree when you add chicken stock. Pour in chicken stock. Bring to a boil, then cover and simmer for 20 minutes or until apple's pumpkin become soft. Transfer to a blender and blend until smooth. Yields 6 servings. Total net carbs, 7.5 grams per serving. In dinner. Easy meatloaf. Ingredients for easy meatloaf: 1/2 pound ground beef, 1 cup pork rind crumbs, 1 egg, 1/3 cup tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons parsley, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan, 1/4 cup chopped onion, salt and pepper to taste. Mix all ingredients together in a bowl, making sure to distribute pork rind crumbs evenly. Shape mixture into a loaf and place in a shallow nonstick baking pan. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 1 hour. Yields 6 servings. Total net carbs, 1.8 grams per serving. Total net carbs for day 14 based on a single serving per meal, 12.02 grams. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoy this video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more future videos and do like, share and comment below.